Hello, in this video I'm going to show a bot and car VR game that I'm developing. The Drivable car basic pack supports VR, so in the DC game mode I disconnected is head mounted display enabled and I checked is VR enabled, and when I press play this looks like it's in VR mode. So this is what VR would look like. So even though I can't test it because I don't have a VR headset, I think VR still is going to work. I added animals now that you can run over. So far I just added a deer. I might add other animals. I'm not sure. He'll get back up if it's not hurt.